Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for this vlog, I want to show you something. I am very excited because today, not today, yesterday I brought new telephone because my telephone is carbon. My telephone is damaged and I need to buy new telephone. And this one is my telephone. I brought from this store, Excite. And this one is the telephone, the Samsung Galaxy A50, and this one is the receipt. I brought this one yesterday. The price is 84,900 KD here in Kuwait. So this is the telephone. Charang! You see, this is the telephone. Now we have to unbox the new telephone, so we will see. But first we need to read from here or from here. From here it was stated it is Infinity U display, triple camera, and also has a screen fingerprint. Wow. Hindi siya mananakaw. And then this one is a 4G light. I brought is about 6 GB RAM and 128 storage. And then we will unbox. This one we will unbox the new telephone. We're using the knife. Okay. We're unboxing the new telephone. Okay. From this box, from this cover, this is the box, and this is the telephone itself. From this, we see what is inside for this. From this one, we have a quick guide. We have a quick start guide, and then we have, what is this? We have a jelly case, and then this is I don't know, I cannot read in Arabic, but this is for the telephone. And this one is the warranty card. I also pay yesterday for the warranty. I choose the international warranty because this telephone I will bring this one to Philippines. So if whatever happened for this telephone, I can assure that someone can fix my telephone. So here is the telephone. Hi guys, yesterday after unboxing my new telephone, I charging it, and then now it's finished. Actually, it's done, and now I will show you how I open my new telephone. Very excited. Okay. So I use the fingerprint. I will see it's work or no. Oh my god. The fingerprint is just working fast. There is something happening in scanning my fingerprint. You see, I need to wait for 11 seconds to... Oh no, this is too much time. Two seconds left. We will see. No, it's working. This is the problem. Now I face the problem in this device. The scanner is not fast to response. So this is inside the telephone. Everything is done, but actually I'm still not using my Wi-Fi and put everything inside from my old telephone from this one. Inshallah I hope tomorrow when I'll be connected to the Wi-Fi, I'll be all my program from my old telephone will be here already, and everything will be set up. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Now we already faced the problem for this telephone, the finger scanner. It's not working pas, wala. So I hope this will can also help from the one who want to buy this unit. I don't think so. I hope this will not make problem to me. I'm hoping. Thank you guys for watching.